Hello at my factory. I have almost finished my trailer repair project. It's almost finished, but not yet finished. What's left to do is set the floor in this trailer. As you see, frame is assembled, platform is assembled, boards is assembled, wheels is on it. You may ask why I set boxes under the axles, and the answer is easy. Yesterday I adjusted the brakes, and that is most easiest way how to do it. With this handle I can work a parking brake, and yesterday up to late evening I adjusted. So here is a couple of things to do, and here should to set another type of bolt. Need cut off these 3 ends so to anything will be smooth like so. I set new these clamps, or how they call in English, so board can easily open and close, and front board can remove because here is not yet drill a board, set a nut and weld, and front board can easily remove by wrench. Unscrew the screws and just pull it out. I screw it down just because it's for safety. Also, from trailer back, it's finished. It looks like a real truck back, and in this corner I should to get a warning sight what warn bicyclers, because this trailer is large enough and it should be a safe. Also, these mud guards, it's made out from junk. You may ask why from junk. Just because in forest, while I pick up mushrooms, I found this. This is a truck mud guard, and this was dumped out in forest. I pick it up, and from this I can make mud guard for my trailer. So on, here they are. Also, all wiring is and lights is on the trailer. There all wires is connected. All connections I set in this box. It's hermetical. Lights is tested, so I can go to or technical inspection and get this trailer road legal again. So what else? I have a lot of bores or holes or something like that. It's like some ugly tourist take his Kalashnikov assault rifle and just shoot them. And somebody please suggest how I can close these holes. One way I found out is with a rivet, like so. I tried to do that, but I'm not sure. Do I want to close them all just because in one day I can set there like rings for tent, what is an hour over to the trailer. So today I want to remove boards and start to set this plate in the trailer. Here is a 18mm thick floor material, and I think it will be good enough for this trailer. So what else? Lot to do. New safety. This is like a safety rope or safety like that. When this unattaches from hook, then it can do so. And brakes is on, and trailer automatically stops. So lot of screws are stainless steel, except important ones like these ones here, and here where is axles attached to frame. So also I used this style of bolts for these things, and from inner side I take a aluminium plate, drill bores, just because these boards, they are so around, you can see maybe how thick they are, and they can easily get pressed on, and I enforced them with these things. Also from outside here too, it's like a spacer, just because here is some kind of gap, and I use this like a spacer. What space is this? So for now it's looking around, so still some job on this, and I hope soon I get this on the road. Thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a